To insert a SIM card or two SIM cards on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is quite simple. First things first, you need to get your SIM card ejector tool that should look just like this. If you cannot find yours, then you can just go ahead and look for any pointed pin like this one. Then you want to take your SIM card ejector tool and then insert it inside of the SIM card tray, usually at the bottom of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can see this little hole on the right hand side over here. You want to insert it and then push it a little hard until it pops out like mine, and then you can now go ahead and use your finger to pull it out just like so. And now to insert your first SIM card, which should actually be a nano SIM card, you want to go ahead and get the SIM card, flip it to the back, and you can literally see this little cut on the SIM card over here. Make sure it fits the little cut on the SIM card tray as well. So go ahead and place it like this until it actually flushes properly with the SIM card tray. And then you want to do the same thing for your second SIM card as well. That is if you want to insert two SIM cards. So flip it to the back like so, and then get your second nano SIM card. Also make sure you turn your SIM card to the back, and the cut on your SIM card also fits the cut on the SIM card tray as well. So this little cut, make sure it actually fits like so. And then you can now go ahead and insert your SIM card tray with the two nano SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Make sure that you insert it properly and carefully. As soon as it actually enters properly like this, you want to go ahead and turn on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra should be able to dictate your two SIM cards. You will be prompted to set up the SIM cards, so go ahead and change the names of the SIM cards if you want, but I will just go ahead and tap on the next button over here. Select the SIM card you prefer for calls. I will go with SIM 2, tap on next, and then also select the SIM card you prefer for messages as well. I will go with SIM 2. And lastly, the SIM card you prefer for mobile data, I will go with SIM 1 and then done. Please let me know if this tutorial was helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.